Hello, entrepreneur. I am Irene from Irene Consulting Firm, and today I am going to guide you through setting up the payroll for your small business. Whether you are hiring your first employee or just need a clearer process, you are in the right place. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest insights. First, let us break down what the payroll actually involves. It's not just about paying the wages. It includes withholding taxes, paying the insurance premium, and managing the benefits. Understanding this component is crucial for compliance and happy employees. Next, select a payroll system. Do you prefer manual tracking or automated software? For most, software like QuickBooks or Gusto simplify your payroll and ensure accuracy. Consider your budget and business size when choosing. Now, gather employee information. You will need details like social security numbers, tax withholding information, and pay rates. Always ensure this information is secure and private. Calculating taxes can be tricky. You must account for federal, state, and sometimes local taxes. Use your payroll software to help calculate and remit these taxes automatically. And staying compliant, avoid penalty. Decide how often you will run the payroll, monthly, biweekly, or weekly, and mark these dates on your calendar and set the reminder. Consistency is the key to maintaining trust with your team. And finally, maintain detailed record and stay updated on payroll law. Keeping the accurate record helps you manage your finances better and prepare you for any audit. As a conclusion, setting up payroll does not have to be daunting, but with the right tools and a bit of knowledge, you can master this in no time. If you have a question, drop them below and call or contact us at Irene Consulting Firm for your bookkeeping, payroll, financial analysis, data visualization service needs. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye for now.